I'm about sick of these hoe ass niggas talking about I done changed up, bitch. Man, fuck you. I'm the same OG.
Say, man, you motherfuckers hating for real. I don't know what it is, dawg. These bitches, these niggas, my broad tripping. And at the end of the day, I'm just the same motherfucker I was yesterday. You know what I'm talking about? Say I'm the same motherfucker from way back. Third ward representative multiplying the stacks. These motherfuckers hating, laying low in the gap, waiting for me to slip to try to peel my cap. I'ma give it to these boys the way I get it, nigga. Man, I got 6 but scratching at 7 figures. My mind's on the paper chase, hand on the wood brain. Gotta get this paper made, you know I keep it hood, man. But every day I face the same obstacles. Bullshit niggas, shiesty ass bitches. The multiply thickens, I gotta keep it cooking. I'm a third ward nigga, you ain't fucking with no rookie. It ain't about the tracks, cause it stay about the cookies. Bitch, now what it do, shawty, you can keep your pussy on the real. Fuck the glam and fame, just remember my name. They fucked around and let a G in the game. Say holla at your boy in the black 300. I ain't ballin' on a budget, you'll never catch me frontin'. I gotta keep it pimpin' and I gotta keep it stuntin'. Keep the 4-4 cock ready to break you off something. The way a nigga shining, got your baby mama running. She a hoe and you know it, but the bitch keep gunning. Them pink lace panties is why a nigga did it. I'ma break her down when I put this pimpin' up in her. But in the meantime, let's pop a few bottles, pour out a little liquor and pop a few models. Hit the butt naked, make it rain for a second. Got them showing naked ass down in H-Town, Texas. And now she wanting me to fuck her on the 5th wheel. I'm going deep like Randy Moss, how the hood feel. I ain't gon' lie to you, cause I'ma be me. H-Town, 3rd Ward, same OG. Say I'm the same nigga, Mr. Cake Baker. The Pyrex looking cloudy, but it keeps shaking. I got to keep moving, I got to keep grinding. The lights went out, but nigga, I'ma keep shining. Got to keep smiling, gripping that wood, bitch. So I'ma keep driving, trying to be hood rich. Headed the west way, cause it's the best way. You bitch niggas better not even trying to test me. Say I'm that nigga that be riding with that hot shit, the roof blowed out in the candy blue drop, bitch. With the big screens and the big dreams, showing love for the ballers and the dope fiends. That's how we do it, we're a motherfucker rep, son. You pussy niggas better not even try to flex, son. But if you do, then you bitches finna see me, the E to the B, Mr. 3rd Ward OG.
Still the same OG.